The Toma token is about to go live. Look at it right here. Less than 3 hours from now, this token is going to go live and tradable on major exchanges. But one thing very important right now is that if you look at market sentiment, look at it right here. Bitcoin has dropped all the way to $95,000. Ethereum right now is below $3,300. Look at Ethereum. $3,278. What does this mean to this very listing? Because it's very important for us to understand market sentiment together with a new token coming into the market when the market is crashing all the way to the downside. All of this in this very video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. One thing very important right here is the Toma token is going to be live in the next 3 hours or less than 3 hours. Look at it right here, and congratulations to all of us that it's on this very airdrop. Congratulations, guys. And in as much as we know that this token is coming live on major exchange, for example on Bitget right here in gate.io, the question is the price of this very token is very important. But one thing that is also very important right here is the pre-market price. If you come to pre-market right here on Bitget and you check what this token is doing right now, you discover that there is a drop all the way to the downside. Look at it here. Market has dropped by 21% in the last 24 hours. That is 0.4084. That is a drastic drop, guys, in a day, approaching the listing of a particular token. And personally, I don't think this token is going to do well in 24 hours after listing, because the sentiment of the market right now is that the market is crashing back all the way to the downside, and as a result of the Fed rate cuts 2 days ago that is making the market to drop all the way to the downside, all of this is going to impact on this very token. So this is very important. So if you check this very Toma token very well, you discover that the market is dropping all the way to the downside, and the coin overview still remain that 1 trillion token is going to be in circulation. But right now, they've not released accurately the total number of tokens that's going to be in circulation in the next 24 hours of listing. And this is one of the things we need to pay attention to, because in as much as there is a staking mechanism, we also want to see the price of this token go up in 24 hours so that airdroppers like you and myself can sell off at a better price and gain from this very airdrop, because that is the goal of participating in any airdrop at all. Pay attention to this, guys. It's very important. Market is dropping all the way to the downside. And one thing that I am also keeping my eye on is the price prediction. If we have 1 trillion token in circulation, which is this, and you multiply by the current market right now, okay, 408, it is cover, you should have $80 million market capitalization from this very token. And personally, I said no, this token cannot do this much. The possibility is there, but personally, that is not what I am looking at. Okay, $80 million for this very Toma token is not possible in my opinion. And I am not trying to bring the project down. I'm not trying to do that. I am simply doing analysis based on on-chain and technical data that I have at my disposal. And this is very important. So $80 million market cap cannot be. That means we will not see this very price, okay, at listing. I'm talking about at listing. That is when they list this token, we are not going to see this very price of 0.408 in my own personal opinion. This can come after maybe 2-3 days of listing, and this is very important. So if you see 1 trillion total supply equal max supply equal circulating supply, then we're not going to see this very market capitalization from the Toma token. And what I am personally expecting, like I've said earlier, is 0.401. Okay, that is a $10 million market capitalization is very possible. Look at 0.401 as a price, as you can see right here. That is what I am expecting. So from this range, market can go up a little bit to 0.405, okay, which will give a $50 million market capitalization. This is what I'm expecting right now. And if market do very well, we can see 0.406. That is a $60 million market capitalization if the entire 1 trillion token is in circulation. And this is very important. Now, if 77% of this token is in circulation, which is a possibility, then we should be expecting this also from the market. So 77% of this token mean we are looking at 770 billion token in circulation initially. That is 24 hours at listing. And that means we should also look at something that is very, very small right here. So I'm also looking at this multiplied by 0.00001. That is 401. This is very, very possible. And what this means is we're going to have this very market capitalization. That is $7.7 million as market capitalization, which is also a possibility in my opinion. And we can also have 0.405, which is a $38 million. These are very, very likable possible scenario from this very market. So what you should be looking at right now is 0.401 as the market price for this very token and 0.405. This is a range I am looking at this very market to be for the Toma token at listing, because like I said earlier, when a token is getting that listing on an exchange, you have to look at market sentiment, because market sentiment is very important. If market is dropping all the way to the downside, then it means that that token may not have that capacity to survive 24 hours after listing. And that is what we are seeing right now, because if you look at Bitcoin sentiment, it is called that the market is dropping all the way to the downside on BTC. $95,000 market has dropped all the way from 108,000 all-time high back to $95,000 in the past 2 days. And what this means is crypto, okay, majority of it, 95%, is going to also drop all the way to the downside. And look at ETH right here. ETH is dropping as well. Look at it, $3,289, all the way from $4,000 and above. Market has dropped to this very point. It means that the sentiment of the market right now is very, very bearish. And what that also implies for this Toma token is that the market may not survive that long for the market to pump all the way to the upside. That means the bulls cannot move the market for a very long period of time, and the market is going to come back down. So don't over expect, like I always say, don't over expect from the Toma team, don't over expect from the token as well. The market can do very well, the market can do very poorly. For me, the price I am expecting this token to be is 0.401 and 0.405, which is very, very important for me right now. This is what I am personally looking at, and that is what you should be looking at as well. Don't over expect, okay, because if you do, it will put you in a very tight corner. But if you bring down your expectation very, very low and then things go up, okay, it will be very fine than bring your expectation very high and things come back all the way to the downside, which will be very bad. And you don't want to find yourself in that kind of situation. And that is why you must have to pay attention to that very range of price. And that is what I am personally expecting right now. Normally, I don't over expect from airdrop, especially this era of play to earn. Web3 project these days have not been doing very, very well as expected. And you know that the price of most Web3 have been between a $30 million, that is the market capitalization have been between $30 million and $50 million. And that is why I am not expecting that big market cap from the Toma team. The market cap should be within this range at least, and there is a high possibility that it can even fall below this range because of the current market sentiment. Bitcoin is not moving up, crypto is not moving up, everything is going down, and that is why I am looking at this token do 0.401 and 0.405. This is my personal opinion right now on this very token, guys. This Toma token is going to be live on a major exchange, Bitget and Gate.io. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also, check the channel for other crypto content. If you want to join our Telegram channel, check the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is free. And if you want to watch my video on when the altcoin season is going to start, because that's very important, check this video right here. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto from beginner to advanced, check this video right here. It's going to help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.